Do you produce the same quantity of items every day? Do you want to keep shelves filled up with items, but are worried that producing too many packs may create leftovers? These are typical problems for managers of fresh item departments. However, you probably have no time to constantly check the sales floor. So Digi would like to introduce Pack on Time, a system that enables you to maximize sales opportunities even with minimum operators. Pack on Time is Digi's unique solution that enhances operational efficiency of the back room by connecting POS systems, scales, and wrappers. With this system, you can prevent leftovers and increase sales opportunities. Let's take a look at one meat department that uses Pack on Time. A label printer is located beside a manager who cuts the meat. A pop-up notification is displayed on the label printer screen. It shows sirloin steak, total sales 10, and produce 15 more packs. Then, an instruction label is issued that tells you how many more items are needed on the shelves at that point in time. The manager produces the required number of items in a timely manner according to this label. In this way, you can fill up popular products when necessary and increase sales opportunities. The items and the operation label are transported to the wrapper operator. By scanning the barcode on the label, you can start the wrapping operation. You don't have to input each item's information manually. This prevents labeling errors even if operators are new or inexperienced. This is Pack on Time, the easy and simple way of producing and restocking the right amount of items at the right time. Additionally, the wrapper screen can show a list of all items produced and sold. You can view the situation of the sales shelves while in the back room. You can prevent leftovers and won't miss the chance to grow sales. Pack on Time is your reliable partner that connects scales and POS systems.